the last episode, I mentioned that I'm going to be working on my 911 and then on my M5. Well, we're going to flip that around and work on the M5 first and then save the next episode for my 911. I got parts for both cars, but I want to focus on my M5 for this one. So here's a package that came in the mail. Let's take it over to the table over there, open it up and see what's inside. I got some new filters for my M5. For many years, I've been using the OEM one, but now I want to upgrade it with K&N ones, which offer better filtration with the oil and more free flow. Normally when people upgrade their intakes, they're looking for a more deeper sound note. But because my M5 already has a deep exhaust note, I'm not particularly looking for that intake note to change much. So that's how my car sounds with the stock filter. Let's go ahead and upgrade it with the K&N ones. My M5 has two intakes, one for bank 1 and one for bank 2. So I'm going to remove the intake box and take out the old filter and replace it with the K&N one. As far as tools, I'm hopefully going to only need these two. I have my flathead screwdriver, and then for insurance purposes, I'm going to keep my magnetic telescoping tool just in case some of the pins fall down. So what I did was I put a cardboard underneath the housing for the intake filter, just so it doesn't scratch the top. And here's the OEM filter, and it's just basically a drop-in. So I pull out the old one. And then here is the K&N one. And it goes right in, just like that. Now that the driver's side intake box is installed with the new filter, I'm going to go ahead and focus my attention now on the driver's side. It's basically going to be the same process. I'm going to have to loosen the clamp over here, remove the MAF sensor, and then take out the clips on the side. Although two clips came out when I was doing it this side, it was a lot easier to get out than the other side. So again, I'm going to just replace the OEM filter with the one from K&N. It just pops right out. I'm going to replace it with a new one. Make sure that it sits well on all 4 corners, or in this case 6 corners, and we're all set. The install went really well. Not many glitches along the way. So let's go ahead and fire it back up and see if there's a difference. I know with that sound comparison, it's kind of tough to distinguish which one is louder than the other, but the most benefits is the driving experience. So let's go ahead and fire it up and go for a short drive. I'm going to steal the phone mount from my 911 and install this on my M5 so that we can drive and record the sound of the upgraded filter. Okay, I got my phone mounted to my mirror, so let's go ahead and flip the camera and go for a little drive. That was a nice little pull. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and record my reaction, because there's a slight difference I can tell when I'm driving it. When I'm shifting, the car feels a little bit like it's breathing a lot better. So let's go ahead and turn around and do one more round. after that drive, that was definitely worth the investment. One of the reasons why I pushed forward for this is while I was online last week, I got a pop-up message that says Canon has a discount for filters. So I opened it up and I noticed it was a significant discount. So I thought, why not upgrade my filters like I did with my 911? One of the reasons why I changed things up with this episode and work on my M5 instead of my 911 is because I want to change things up a little bit and try to balance it out as far as coverage of each car on the channel. I'm going to do a little detour on this vlog and go to an event that I haven't been to in maybe 4 years. I know the South Coast OC event is really big, but it's quite a distance from where I live. But it just so happens that I'm picking up some wheels from another Porsche Club community, and they happen to live close by there, so I'm going to try to kill two birds with one stone. I just arrived here at the event. It's right behind me. I'm not too sure how much video I'm going to be able to get. I'm going to try to cover as much footage of it, cover as much ground coverage. So more than likely I'll just run a montage.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
I'm back in my truck now. It's a really big turnout today, and that's one of the things that's difficult about attending events like this, is because there's just so many cars are coming in, cars are leaving. So whether you come in late or early, it's almost impossible to get all the cars. So the main reason why I'm down here is because I'm going to pick up some pretty cool Porsche wheels, and I sourced them through one of the Porsche online communities, and so I'm heading there right now. I'm back home now. It was about an 85-90 mile trek, so I went through a lot to get these wheels. I didn't want to film while I was at the person's house, just out of respect, but let's go ahead and flip the camera around and check out the wheels that I got. Here's our wheels. They're just a pair. They're made by GMR and they're 3-piece wheels. The reason why the Porsche member was letting these go is because one out of the 4 rims was damaged. He mentioned that one of the blades cracked over here, and he reached out to the wheel company and they didn't want to warranty it. They'd rather just give him a discount. So he pulled them off and replaced them with some other wheels, and he urged me not to trust the integrity of these wheels because of the damage that he had on the other 2. So I'm just going to be using this for, one of them is going to be wall art, and then I'm planning on making one of them a table. So it's going to be a little work, it's going to be a work in progress. I won't be getting to these on this vlog, but in the next couple of vlogs, I'll be giving you a progress of how this project is going. The next episode, I got a lot of things to do with my 911, which includes a new exhaust as well as a new module that will enhance the performance of my car. So that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.